In the past couple of days, you might have encountered the terms event horizon, Einstein relativity theory, and many other scientific achievements. Over the internet, you will find hundreds of videos explaining the recent image of black hole. But do you know how was the image captured? Who are the people behind it? And what exactly was the technology? So, without any further delay, let's find out about them. Many of us might have seen images of black hole in our school books or on the internet, but these images were all imaginary. On 10th April 2019, the first real image of black hole was revealed to the world. A black hole is a region of space having a very strong gravitational field, so intense that no matter or even light cannot escape it. When we think of a black hole, we assume it as a huge vacuum cleaner which sucks all the matter surrounding it. Black hole grows by eating up nearby matter, but it is actually relatively difficult for the matter to fall into the black hole. If only the gravity is acting, then there is a chance that the matter will orbit the black hole indefinitely. Because of friction, the gases surrounding the black hole heats up to millions of degrees and emit photon. Hence, we are able to see a bright ring around the black hole. Every galaxy has a black hole at the center. But the first image that was revealed was not from the black hole of our galaxy. The image of supermassive black hole was from a galaxy called Messier 87 or M87. This black hole is 55 million light years away from us and it weighs 4.5 billion times to that of our sun. One of the main reasons why black hole of M87 was used is that it is bigger in size and it is continuously active. Since this black hole is so active, it emits wave of different wavelengths. But for imaging the black hole, we are using the wave of 1.3 mm wavelength, which is a radioactive wave, as only this wavelength is able to travel through the interstellar dust in the space and reach the Earth. So the question arises, why the black hole from our galaxy was not used to create the first image? Because the black hole present at the center of our galaxy is 1500 times smaller than the black hole of M87. Also, the black hole in our galaxy is not that active. Coming up to the next question, how do you capture an image of a black hole that is 55 million light years away from us? The organization behind this feat of imaging a black hole is the Event Horizon Telescope or the EHT. The EHT uses an array of 8 telescopes from all around the globe to collect the radio waves coming from the black hole. These telescopes were aligned in a parabolic shape that reflected back the radio waves received from the black hole and focused it on a single foci point. When the radio waves are emitted from the black hole, it is circular, but by the time they reach the Earth, they turn into plane waves. To image this, we require a telescope of size equal to that of the Earth. The EHT uses a global network of dishes to stimulate a telescope of this size. Each disk collects and records the data for imaging the black hole. The main challenge was to synchronize and maintain the stability of these dishes. To achieve the required stability, atomic clocks were used to timestamp the recorded data. It is so precise that only 1 second delay is created in every 100 million years. The required synchronization was reached with the help of global positioning service clocks located at each telescope. Since these telescopes are so far away from each other, data cannot be transferred by establishing a wired connection. The data was so huge that it wasn't even possible to transfer over the internet. Hence, hard drives were used. These hard drives were then collected and processed at the central processing centers. Since the data was collected at few locations, there is a lot of missing data about the black hole's image. To overcome this issue of missing data, a special imaging algorithm was used to fill the gaps in between. The algorithm was developed by Katie Bowman, which is a student in MIT University. This achievement was something that was presumed to be impossible just a generation ago. Breakthroughs in technology connections between the world's best radio observatories and innovative algorithms were the key components that came together to open an entirely new window on the event horizon and black holes. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, then feel free to comment it below. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe and share this video. It only helps us to grow.